Okay, so last month I did this video and this video and this video. All of them did really well and they all kind of fell under the umbrella of classic literature. I gained a lot of new viewers and subscribers for those videos, and it was super exciting for me at the time because I am someone who is trying to pivot a little out of the beauty YouTuber space and focus a lot more around things that are pertaining to, you know, goal setting, self-care, reading more, all those things. We'll start Wuthering Heights by Emily Brontë. It wasn't an easy read though. It's not easy language, not very accessible, especially if you're not English native speaker. This is a classic at gothic romance. In this, we learn of dual romance between an orphan boy named Heathcliff and Catherine Earnshaw, the daughter of Heathcliff's adoptive father. The book, like I mentioned, was a little bit of struggle to get through, but it was just so worth it. Now I really like dark books about awful people, so this was right up my alley. It's super melodramatic, but I loved that. Also, I do have problem with people who call this book a romantic book. I think a lot of people get it wrong when they think it's, you know, about a great love, forever love, even after death kind of love, because it does have theme of ghost and stuff like that. But I personally see this book as a story of great revenge rather than love story. It's pretty complicated story, really. It's very intriguing. There have been movie adaptation on this as well, few of them, I guess 3 or 4, but I would mostly consider this book as a gothic tale than anything else. So even if the movies make them seem like the stories about romance, I think if you are a gothic lover, you will like this. See, even on the first chapter, first paragraph, I have a word that I don't know the meaning of. I'm writing all those things down, so very hard to read and very rich language as well. All right, that's it. I have more videos like this. Check them out. I'll link them down below for you guys. You can just visit a playlist on my channel if you wanted. It's called book something. Subscribe and like this video, like actually press on the thumb like icon. That will be really good, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.